Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law states that the current is directly proportional to voltage in simple statement. But in depth, the current passing through the conductor is directly proportional to the voltage across the conductor at constant temperature. At constant temperature. Why? Now, so we can write voltage is directly proportional to current as current is directly proportional to voltage. And to eliminate this proportionality constant, generally we write V is equal to R into I or I into R because this is the proportionality constant. Now, now we simply write V is equal to I into R. So to remember this V is equal to I into R or R is equal to V by I, for all these things, people generally will state one triangle, Ohm's law triangle V I R. So if you split this triangle, if you say V as IR on the downside of the triangle, you can directly write V is equal to IR. When you say I is equal to V by R. And when you say R is equal to V by I. So V means voltage. In some textbooks it is given as E, which is nothing but electromotive force. So okay, now that's all for your examination purposes. Now a little bit in-depth understanding of this Ohm's law. So this is the normal conductor and this is the voltage across the conductor and this is the current passing through the conductor and this is resistance. Resistance is the inherent property of any conductor or any conducting medium which opposes the flow of current. Okay, now if I say the current is nothing but the flow of electrons, the flow of electrons is nothing but the current. So for more simplicity, let us say if I take a car, so I'm bad at drawing, I'm sorry. So current is nothing but flow of electrons or charge. Let us say one charge is 1 ampere and this is our current and this is the car itself is our current and is flowing on the road and bum 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 bum. These bumps or speed breakers are nothing but resistance and this car passes through the resistance on the, so the car gets slowed down. So what is exactly slowing down? The car, and the slowing down is nothing but the voltage is getting dropped. That's why we always mention the voltage across the conductor. So we say 1 amp as the charge and we don't know the resistance. Let us say we don't know the resistance R. The car is speedily moved on the road with some x speed, or we know the speed, and that is nothing but 2 volts. Now we don't know the resistance. So as we already stated here, R is equal to V by I. Now R is equal to V by I. What is V? 2 volts. What is current? 1 amp. So R is equal to 2 ohms. Okay. Let us take another example. Now the car is moving and we know the resistance. The charge has, let us say, 10 amps. The resistance is, that means the number of speed breakers, let's say 3 ohms, and we don't know the voltage. So what is voltage? V is equal to I into R. That means 30 ohms. Sorry, 30 volts is your voltage. Right, super bright. So 30 volts is the voltage across your conductor. So what we left with? We covered voltage, we covered resistance, and now we are considering current. Yeah, now we have already given the voltage 10 volts and we have given the resistance is 2 ohms. And in our car example, indirectly, by that example, what we are going to say is how many cars can go with this particular 10 volts, that means 10 volt speed, and with this 2 ohms, if you are strictly sticking to that example. So that means I is equal to V 10 volts divided by R 2 ohms. B by ohm is nothing but amps, that means 5 amps. So 5 amps is the car. 5 cars can go there, can go on that road. Yeah, very simple. And in the next videos we are going to teach we are going to learn about series and parallel resistances and how the voltage and current behaves in series and um, parallel. But always remember one thing: current is a physical quantity, whereas voltage is nothing but the electrical pressure. Okay, thank you for subscribing to our channel, and all, and feel free to ask any question in the comment section. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe our channels.